Hello, I'm Evan and welcome to Defense Web TV, the official defense news channel of Army Recognition. Subscribe to get the latest updates, strategic analyses and exclusive reports about the world's armed forces and military technologies across land, air and sea. Russia's last test of the Poseidon nuclear-powered underwater drone marks a striking step in undersea warfare, a weapon that blurs the line between torpedo and autonomous submarine. Announced by Vladimir Putin on October 29, the test reportedly involved full-scale launch and activation of the drone's compact nuclear reactor, a system said to be 100 times smaller than traditional submarine planes.
First glimpsed on Russian TV in 2015 as Status 6, the system reappeared in 2018 as Poseidon, a new strategic deterrent. Its carrier, the submarine Belgorod, entered service in 2022 and can deploy up to 6 of these giant underwater drones. Poseidon is nearly 20 meters long and 2 meters wide, a sealed, crewless mini-sub split into sections for its reactor, guidance gear, and a variable yield nuclear warhead. Analysts call it a machine with no limits and no return ticket. Its propulsion is nuclear. A fast-spectrum reactor drives a closed steam cycle. Steam spins a small turbine, then condenses and powers a shrouded pump jet. The result is an almost silent vehicle that can cruise thousands of kilometers and stay submerged for weeks. Navigation blends inertial sensors, Doppler fixes, seabed terrain mapping, and a forward sonar dome with occasional acoustic updates. Autonomous by design, Poseidon can cross oceans without direct human control, a capability that unnerves naval planners. Reportedly armed with a warhead up to 2 megatons, a deep detonation would unleash a crushing shockwave and an expanding gas bubble capable of pulverizing ships, piers, and harbor infrastructure. Called a tsunami weapon in some media, physics suggests the destruction would be catastrophic locally, not globally. Western navies are building seabed surveillance to spot it, but with a tiny acoustic signature and near unlimited range, Poseidon remains one of the hardest weapons on Earth, or under it, to track.
Stay with us and subscribe to our channel for daily updates on key developments in defense and security, and don't miss our end-of-week summary where we break down the most important stories across land, air and sea.